Does the size of a man is important?
Yes.
It is important.
Yeah.
A man's size.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 inch, 4 inches.
Very important.
Very important.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how he use?
How he is. I see.
Sí o no?
No, no importa.
Why does everyone laugh? It's a serious question.
Be honest. Tell the truth.
No.
Okay, they said no.
No, no es importante. ¿Cómo
No.
la usas? Sí.
It's how you use it.
Claro,
Yeah.
yes.
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 Obvio. Of course. How big is too big?
Como grande es demasiado grande.
You've got good Spanish. No. Yes, John.
¿En centímetros o cómo?
What did you say?
Como?
¿En centímetros?
Mostrar? Mostrar? Okay.
¿Sí? Oh, sí.
Oh, you tell me. Like, what's too big? Too big? Okay. All right. What is too small?
Si me gusta.
Yeah, like pequeño, poco.
No,
like, what's
this-
Es demasiado pequeño.
Okay.
Una mano. Una mano.
Una mano, one hand.
One hand. No, we need 2 hands.
And two
We
hands.
need does.
good.
It's good.
Does, yeah? See. I
Yeah.
intend it.
No,
It doesn't.
I don't think so. No.
Ah.
I don't think so because I live in South Korea before.
Wow.
Yeah, and
Okay. So,
that's also adventure.
all right. So, okay. Just out of curiosity, what's the average size in South Korea? What are we talking?
It's not big. It's not big, but they got
But they satisfied you.
yeah. They they can satisfy it without this
Other
kind of,
ways.
Yeah, other ways. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. So if a man, because there's going to be men watching this who feel like size matters and that they're insecure and they don't know what to do. As a woman,
Yeah.
what would a man who is lacking do in order to make up for the fact that it's not big?
Every woman like attention, like touching skin, touching lips, slowly. I don't know, like why people like usually watching a porno, and a lot of guys thought that porno is the real life. Porno is not the real life. Like you slapping the girl, like doing faster, fuck, no. So to have a great experience with the man,
experience.
yeah.
Okay. I like the way your eyes lit
feel.
up.
You need to feel, like you need to taste it before.
You have to taste it.
Yeah,
see.
kind of taste it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, and there's such thing as too big.
And if it's good or not, you mean, or what?
Too big?
Yeah.
Is possible?
Well, depends how big it is.
Okay.
That's what we're
Yeah, so
asking.
it can be-
How big is too big?
How big is too big?
Yeah. Like, how big is it? It's like, geez, no, don't put that near me.
No, actually, I've never experienced like something like very big, but I know my friend told me
Yes.
that. But I don't really remember about what
Okay.
size it was.
She could
but-
walk for a week or what?
No, she said like she never wanted to see me again.
Well,
Is there a
It's
too
cool.
big and a too small? Is there a perfect size?
I guess technique is more important at the end of the day, but I don't think anybody has to complain if somebody was blessed.
One woman said that anything above 15 centimeters is too big.
I don't
17.
I don't know how much.
17 centimeters.
I don't know.
It's like 7 inches.
I don't know. I can't.
Well, thank you.
Does size matter? Yes, it does. However, does the fact that it matters mean that if you're lacking in that department, you're screwed? No, it's one factor of many. You can be blessed in that department with a member like my forearm and still disappoint a woman in the sack. Now, here's the thing. If you are lacking in that department, find other ways of getting the job done. So if your member is not enough, you got your fingers, you got your hand, you got your tongue, you can use toys. Get creative. There are more than one way. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Another thing is this, you have to remain confident within yourself. So if you let your lack of size get you down, make you feel like you're less than, bring you to your knees, right? Cripple your confidence. If you allow it to do that, you're going to ruin the whole thing. Because you see, like, nocturnal activities, bedroom activities, it's all about the mood, it's all about the vibe, it's all about the energy, it's all about, you know what I mean? It's all about that. If you are second guessing yourself or hating yourself, looking down on yourself because of your lack of size, you'll ruin everything. I know that the dream is for you to be like, I don't think my dick is big enough. And then she puts her arm around you and goes, don't worry, it's okay. I will support you. It's okay that you're small. But that's not the way it works. It's not the way they work. It's not the way it works. If you are insecure about your member, she's not going to be secure for you. She's going to be deeply insecure, deeply uncomfortable. You'll ruin everything. So have some faith, right? Just rock it and rock it and rock it and rock it and own it and find other ways to get the job done. And there's many other ways. Google, ChatGPT is your friend. You got this.